Hey guys, it's Math Overload here again and welcome to another video. Today I'm not going to be doing math, but as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing an HTML tutorial for beginners. This is going to be a multi-part series, and so let's get started. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is used for creating web pages along with CSS and JavaScript. So today I'm going to be showing you the basic tags and the basic things to actually get started with your web page. So let's go. So the first thing you're going to do is going to do exactly what I show. You're going to be doing a doc type HTML tag, and this just declares what type of HTML you're using. So it's not that important, but it's necessary. So the next thing you're going to be doing, as for any web page, is you're going to be doing an HTML tag. And I like to put spaces in between because it's good. So, sorry. You can tell the difference between a starting and an ending tag by looking at the slash right here. This slash indicates it's an ending tag. If you don't know what a tag is basically what you use to define things. Like this, each tag has its own purpose. So after you do the HTML tags, you're going to want to do the two head tags, and you're going to want to nest a title tag in there. Title. And this is necessary for a basic web page. And basically, nesting a tag just means putting a tag inside another tag. So as you can see, these two, the starting and ending title tags, are inside the two head tags. So I'm just gonna put a random title as random stuff. Okay, you just put as anything you want, and then you're going to create a body tag. This is a very important tag because this basically is what the content in your web page. So let's get started with the basic heading. For basic heading, there are 6 sizes of tags for heading. So there is H1, which is the biggest size, H2, which is the second biggest size, and this keeps going all the way down to 6. So you guys could experiment at home with that, but today I'm just going to be using 2 of these. So I'm just going to put a random thing right here. Big. Just going to put not as big. So these are 2 headers. This one is going to be smaller than this one. Now that you got your headers, now you're going to want a paragraph, obviously. So, to create a paragraph, you're going to need the paragraph tag, which is basically P. That's all it is. And then you just put anything you want to say, my name is Vic, and I like HTML. So this is going to show up as a paragraph. I mean, obviously, oh, and I forgot to mention, you do not want to do what I just did. As you can see, I just put a capital P in there. If you don't put the right case in there, it's going to screw the whole thing up, trust me on that. So you don't want to do that. Okay, so basically what this is it just create a paragraph. Obviously you can write some more stuff in there, but that's okay for now. And then I can even write, now I'm going to put another header right here. I'm going to put, what I like, slash H1 ending tag. And then I'm going to create another paragraph tag that's going to create a separate paragraph, another paragraph. I'm going to put like, I like pizza and video games. So I just create another paragraph and everything goes in sequential order, as you can see. The first two tags, the first two headings, big, then it's going to not as big, and then it shows paragraph. So everything's in sequential order. And yeah, you basically created your very own web page right now. To show what it looks like exactly, we're going to first we're going to learn how to save it. Sorry. This is very crucial because if you don't do it right, you won't be able to make an actual web page. So name it anything you want. I'm just gonna write random, and then you're gonna put .html. Then you're gonna save it wherever you want to. Like I'm gonna save it to his desktop. And this is very important. You want to put it in all files. And this will make sure it saves as .html right here. That's how it defines it as an HTML website. So you're gonna want to save type as all files and then save. Then you're gonna open it. And then if you can't find it at first, remember to put it all files. If you can't find it at first, just search it up in desktop random. Wait for a bit. See, as you can see, it showed up. Now you're gonna want to right click it, and then it's gonna come up with all these options. You're gonna click open with, and then you're gonna open it with anything you want. I'm gonna open it with Google Chrome right now. And there you go. We just created a web page. As you can see, everything here corresponds with everything I just wrote here. Like, not here. In here. I just need to open up my file again. Sorry guys. Open up my... Yes. Like I saved in desktop. Oh, and if you want to go back into Notepad, all you gotta do is click open with. Right? Open with Notepad. And there you go. I have it again. So as you can see, this corresponds with this. This corresponds with this, and so on. And everything is displayed here in sequential order, as you can see. And you can also see that the font of this is not as big as the H1. So, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys think I was going too fast, please tell me and I'll go slower. If your web page doesn't show up properly, try pausing the video and look at what I did and look at what you did. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys. Watch out for my next video.